As manager of this healthcare facility, there are several steps that will be incorporated to ensure that all employees have been informed and educated about confidentiality. Confidentiality is extremely significant, and it is an employee's duty to treat all data in the workplace with care and caution. An employee should be sensible enough not to disclose any sensitive and confidential information to a third party without consent from management. Also, employees should not share any personal details with fellow coworkers, and this assists with supporting a professional work environment. Now, during the hiring process, new employees will be required to review and sign paperwork stating that they were provided and understand patient privacy and HIPAA laws. During orientation, new employees will complete an interactive module that thoroughly explains patient privacy, HIPAA laws, and breaches of confidentiality. All tenured employees will have to participate in a refresher seminar or workshop to stay up to date on patient privacy and HIPAA laws. Training will now be provided on an annual basis using printouts of the policy along with meetings and seminars that teach the significance of confidentiality. All employees will be advised about which actions of theirs will be deemed as a breach of confidentiality and what the consequences will be. Currently, majority of information is stored electronically. Therefore, firewalls, encryptions, and pass protection programs have been incorporated into our healthcare information system. These features will assist with monitoring access, usage, and transmission of protected information, along with keeping it safe. The methods for disposing of protected information properly will also be explained to prevent potential leaks. Now, by sustaining these confidentiality standards in the workplace, we will protect ourselves from legal troubles and offer a secure and safe work environment.